As somebody who's been in this field myself for almost 2 decades, staff are often the single biggest predictor on whether something is successful or fails. Going forward, if we're going to have more reforms passed in this country and have them be implemented well, we need more talented policy staff.
Driving change in important policy areas. Ideas are important to that process, but people are even more important. Reformers Academy intends to really develop a bench of center-right healthcare policy talent that has never existed in this country.
Reform requires reformers. You can put together a great idea, you can draft a bill, but it doesn't matter if there's nobody on the receiving end who knows what to do with it. It's figuring out how to take those ideas and act on them through the political process to get things passed and implemented, and that's hard work.
Reformers Academy has 4 phases. First, we scour the country for the most talented individuals who are interested in going deeper in their policy knowledge. Second, we put them through our fellowship program and train them to make sure they can be effective advocates. Once they graduate from the fellowship, though, we don't stop there. We try to understand the gaps of knowledge that they have and provide speakers and other educational opportunities for them to go deeper. And then finally, we help with career advice and placement. We want to make sure that we're deploying them into positions of influence and that they're well networked to be successful in those positions.
There was never a moment where I couldn't ask, like, the presidents of the organization, my peers, do you know somebody? And then all of a sudden a mentor would appear. And I think that was probably the most valuable piece, just being able to know that no matter what the question was that I came across in the healthcare policy space, I was going to find it at HRA.
Don't walk, run, because it is a great opportunity and you can't lose. You gain relationships with people that have like-minded interests and who care, and I think it's a launching pad as well for my future career, and I would wish it on anyone else with a similar interest.
Even after a long day of work, coming home and just having a really casual conversation about what's wrong with healthcare and what we can be doing to fix the system. It's really cool to have those collaborative conversations and actually see tangible solutions come to the surface from people all over the government, private, public sector spectrum. So it's really refreshing.
Everything we do with the Reformers Academy Fellowship experience is built for working professionals.
One of the things that sets Health Reformers Academy apart is it's fun. We're not just reading textbooks, we're not just having Zoom calls, but we really make a concerted effort to make it fun for people. And that's a huge part of what our fly-in events are about. That's a huge part of how we structure our classes. And I don't see that ever going away. We try to get people who understand that this is serious business, but it doesn't mean you can't have fun while doing it. And that's the beauty of bringing driven, smart people together, is they tend to have a lot of fun when they're at it.
At Reformers Academy, we train change makers.
If you'd like to make improving healthcare in America your life's work, Reformers Academy is the place for you.